Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Zeta Sigma Slots. Today, got a $40 session, 17 through 20 of the Chevy Silverados, and one of the new $20 $500,000 Payday. Let's get started. I want to find that double steering wheel symbol. 18, 9, 32, and 6. 14, 17, 11, 20, 2, 29, 15, 38, 4, 39, 28, 35, 27, 40, 34, 8, 7, 25, 3, 37. No luck on that one. Come on, 18. Oh, that's symbol hunt. No symbol wins. 19. 3. 11. No, that won't. 12. 38. Nope. Alright, let's switch and go to the 500,000 Payday. Matching numbers or symbols. 13, 38. Oh, come on. Mrs. Itch. Hit the 38. 4, 1, 17, and 47. 47, first scratch match. 25, 62, 50, 56, 3, 39, 8, 36. I mean, we'll say that Mrs. Itch helped with that one. 11, 42, 53, 14, 63, 59, 54, 55, 49, 40, 12, 23, 65, 24, 57, 60, 20, 52, 22, 69, and 68. So, under the 47 is 20, so we're at least half back. Alright, on the 19, 35, 9, 31, and 2. 22, 26, 39, 18, 16, 32, 36, 17, 19, and 1, 21, 14, 37, 7, 4, 25, 24, 40, 33, and 20. Nothing. Alright, come on. We can't go 4 losers in a row. Let's go to this one. 4, 23, 5, and 20. Okay, we got 20. On ticket 20. Let's match it. 24, 1, 12, 38, 5. We got a match. 22, 3, 9, 36, 28, 21, 31, 18, 6, 37, 16, 34, 39, 40, and 11. Just the one. $5. So we got 25 out of 40. That's not bad. We'll take it. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Dislike if you didn't. Comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and we will see you in the next video. 3 o'clock for slots. Have a great day. Good luck.